Good morning. Welcome to Laguna Classic Cars. My name's Andy Coyle. I'm going to show you this beautiful 1955 Ford Thunderbird. This car has been restored recently with rebuilt engine and transmission, new paint, new tires, new shocks, new brakes. It's an automatic transmission, power steering. It comes with a hard top that I have photos online of. The 55 has these cool exhausts through the tailpipe, or through the bumper, excuse me. My favorite design. These tires are brand new. They have less than 100 miles on them. We'll pop the hood. So the dash is good shape. Tachometer works. We're going to go for a test drive and we'll test it out. Has the power steering. Door panels are in nice shape. Seats, the power seats kind of work, but not like a new car, but they do move. So this is a brand new master cylinder. It's a rebuilt motor. It has, I believe, a Holley carburetor on it. Runs much better. Has a big aluminum radiator. The car comes with the original carburetor. Was rebuilt a year or two ago by, I believe it's Larry's Thunderbird. It says original power steering. See a lot of new electrical pieces. The wiring is really clean. Heater box is all there. Looks like a new alternator. I believe it's 12 volt. New cap. It's all really clean. Paint's very good quality. So it looks like a new dash cover, new carpet, new upholstery. And it has Bluetooth updated sound system. And as I mentioned, it does come with the original radio. Hard top, as I mentioned, comes with it. There are photos online of it. Here are the fender skirts, come with it. The original carburetor and the original radio. The carburetor was recently rebuilt. Carpet kit, and look at this has all been redone really nicely, high quality. This car is solid underneath as well. I'm gonna post photos. I'm going to post photos of underneath, but for now, you can see it's really nice. So we're going to go for a ride. And the customer added this water temp gauge because he wasn't confident in the gauges on the dash, which I concur. The wipers appear to want to work. I believe they're vacuum powered. And so I turn on the wipers. Yeah, I guess they work. But they're vacuum powered, so this car really, my opinion, Don't drive it in the rain anyway, because boy, it runs really smooth, absolutely smooth as silk. Really smooth. Somewhat floored how smooth it runs. So the tachometer is working. There's a new radio. I love the turn metal dashboard. Let me see if I can get the wipers to go back, retract. So we'll go for a little ride now. It drives out good, the speedo works. Drives nice and smooth. So it stops nice and smooth. The consignor had the brakes had new brake pads, new brake lines. Turn signals work. It runs super smooth. And power steering, very nice. Good performance, good. Nice smooth shift. Very nice. Stops nice and straight. So let's review. This is a 1955 Thunderbird. Rebuilt motor, transmission, new brakes, new tires, new paint, new upholstery. Very nice. Good sound system, new carpeting. It's consigned by a motivated seller. It's California smog exempt. Clear California title. Nice little car. If you've always wanted one, this might be yours. Good color. All the hard stuff's been done. Let me know how I can help. Thank you.